Students, welcome in your computer class. It is page number 26 of your computer book. Here, chapter 2, formatting in HTML. Strike through tag. Strike tag is used to strike a line in the middle of text. It means if you want to cut a line from the middle of the text, that is, then we will use the strike through tag. So here, strike tag, here one small example is given, and syntax strike, then it will close by the slash. Here text, this text will be cut from the middle. You can see the output here. Next one is your superscript tag. To display the text slightly above the line is superscript. It means superscript, for example, you can understand by this example a plus b whole square. So this 2 is called superscript. Yeah, और यू कैन राइट 10th, देन ts, दिस इज कॉल्ड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट. स्लाइटली एबव, थोड़ा सा जस्ट ऊपर जो टेक्स्ट लिखा रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट. सो फॉर दिस वी विल यूज सुपरस्क्रिप्ट टैग. देयर इज सिंटेक्स sup एंड दिस इज क्लोज बाय द स्लैश. सो हियर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी, जो भी टेक्स्ट हमें सुपरस्क्रिप्ट पर चाहिए, जो लेटर टेक्स्ट डिजिट ओनली, वही सुपरस्क्रिप्ट टैग के अंदर रहेगा, अदर थिंग्स बाहर रहेगा. नाउ यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल a plus b whole square. Now next one is a subscript tag. It is just opposite of superscript. Superscript means upside, subscript means downside. This is example of subscript. Suppose that H2O. So 2 is the just downside of the H. So this is called subscripts. For this we will use this sub text, then this will close by the slash. Here you can see H2O. So 2 in the within the subscript. So this will come in output H2O. You can see output H2O. Now next one is center tag. This tag is used to display the text or image in the center of the web page. If you want to display image or text in the center, so you will use center tag. This is syntax center text, then it will close with the slash. So small example is given. This is the text, it will showing on the center. Next one is a horizontal rule. For horizontal rule, HR tag is used to create horizontal line or rule to separate the contents of web page. It is empty, it has no int tag. It means it is an empty tag. It will not close by the slash. Here some attributes of the center horizontal rule tag is given. You can see the output. Here one horizontal line is given. This is a small program. You can see there is some attribute, size, syntax, width, color, alignment. So this attribute you can see here, HR size equal to 5, width equal to 42%, align right. So here right side one line is given. Now next one is a font tag. This tag is used to display text in particular font. There is a font name. Now font face, here font family, you can select Arial and other things, so many font. So here Arial, this is by default, so this text will come in Arial font. Now next one is font size and color. So font size and color you can select, this is small size 8 to 72, small is the 8, then biggest one is 72. Here you can select font size equal to, size you have to write in double quote, and color also you have to write in double quote. Here font face is a Arial, size equal to 10 and color is equal to red. So you can see output size 10 and color red, and this is the Arial font. Now here next one is a image tag. Image tag are used to display image or picture on web page. It means if you want to insert picture on the web page, then you will use image tag. This is the syntax, img src is equal to name of the image. Student, name of the image means address of the image. If you want to insert any image, so first you have to copy the address of the image, then you have to paste on the